You see, I don't fear death because death is a certainty that will come to every single one of us. What I fear is the state that I die.
Every nafs, every person shall taste death. The soul never dies. It only tastes death.
So look, when the Prophet ﷺ experienced a sad moment, he expressed it with tears, with telling the people that I am in pain.
About 4 years ago, lost my son and brother right in front of me, in front of my eyes. When you are tested with something like that and grief hits you, you need someone else to come and hold you and lift you up. You can't do it alone.
If anyone here is struggling, wallahi, we are here for you as an ummah. As an ummah.
What makes Gaza so special are not the building. They could flatten all the buildings.
Tune into Light Upon Light every Tuesday and Friday at 9 p.m. exclusively on Eman Channel.